morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
So I hope all of you are still fresh with whatever we have discussed so far, right? I hope all of you remember the lengths and yesterday most important discussion about the sign convention. I hope it is clear to you. We should look at the direction in which the rays are traveling from the object towards the mirror, and then you will make all the measurements from the pole of the mirror. And I really appreciated Ariel's question yesterday, that is, the object distance, whether it is at point A or E, you should take it along the principal axis. I hope you understood. That's a very nice question, right? And let me tell you, nobody has asked this question so far. You are the first person to ask. Hats off. Keep asking. See, these such questions I appreciate the ignorant, because it is pertaining to this. Whatever I am doing here, you should have. You should not go beyond this and start asking, what happens if this is there, that is there. That all we will do. That is the next level. First, let us understand it the conception. Let us be perfectly clear. Okay? Okay. So this is the basic diagram. So what you see here is that you have the object AE and its corresponding image is A dash E dash. Now, what is our job? Why have we all assembled here today? What is the purpose of this class?
Derive.
Excellent. To derive. Derive means what? What exactly are we going to do?
The relationship between object distance and
Exactly. So you have got five physical quantities: the object height, the image height, the object distance, the image distance, and the focal length. And all of them are interrelated. And we have seen that experimentally, right? And also we conducted theoretical experiments. And we saw this is happening. So that means they are all interrelated. There is a relation between them. And what is the relation? Or in other words, we have to find the function of V as a function of F and U, and also the object image height HI as a function of the object height H out and the object distance U and focal length. I am sure all of you we are aware of it. So we have to find the relation. So how should we go about finding the relation? Right? Now, as you can see here, as I told you yesterday, we will use mathematics as a tool to help us to, find the relation. So we physicists are very open-minded. Okay, there is help from some end, we will take it, because our purpose is to learn. Our purpose is to establish the truth. Our purpose is to gain the knowledge and enhance the knowledge. So we don't mind going and asking mathematicians for help or somebody else for help. Right? So we are going to derive help from mathematicians, and now we have to find the relation. So what you see here, there is object distance U and there is image distance V and focal length F. We have to relate all of them, and HI and HO are also there. All the five quantities are. Alright, so we will make use of geometry. Right? So how shall we make use of geometry? So I want to relate this point, this distance with this distance. Right? So what is that? We have got a law and we have got ray diagrams. So how can you relate? Can I do some geometrical construction and get U and V in the same geometrical construct? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. See now, I will take a ray from this tip to this point, right? And obviously you know that this ray is this, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we see now you see these two triangles. Which are the triangles? AEP and A dash E dash P. Right? So now we have two triangles. Okay? And in these two triangles, you see that this angle is some theta and this angle is also theta. So now you have got two triangles, AEP and A dash E dash P. So in these two triangles, two angles. See, these two angles are 90 and these two angles are equal. Hello, are you with me? Okay, and obviously the third angles have to be equal. Obviously, because sum of the three is. So all the three angles are equal. Okay, so what have we got to say about these two triangles? They look alike, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, if you see their diagram, they are similar. They are similar in shape, not in size. They are similar in shape. So you have got two similar triangles. What did I say? You have got two
Similar triangles.
Now, I think you have not yet studied similar triangles. Very easy. Very easy concept. Huh? If see, now two triangles are similar. Okay. That means this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this. Then the important property of any triangle is that the sides. You see now if I say A, B and C, and if you say this angle is beta, this angle is alpha, this angle is gamma, then you see this side C is proportional to the opposite angle. I think this much of it is. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I wanted loudest.
Yes, sir.
This, yes, I want. Understood? Don't make me do. I mean, see, I was teaching something nice. I got deviated. You have to be cautious. Okay, understood? So therefore, the sides will be proportional. So what I need to say here is that now you see EP, what you see here, and corresponding E dash P. They are proportional to each other. Right? So in other words, here EP by E dash P is one relation. I mean, you get the ratio of this. Right? And then similarly, okay, I can now say AE upon A dash
E dash.
B dash. This is also proportional, and both the ratios must be equal because they are proportional to each other. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now, last but not the least, AP upon
E dash.
A dash B dash. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you establish the relation by just drawing two lines. And now line is Jingalala. What is AE? What is AE? Now AE is a length, height. But for us, it is a physical quantity. What is physical quantity?
Height of object.
So height, correct. We represent it in terms of the physical variable. A dash E dash H height is equal to, now what is AP? AP is U. And what is A dash P? It is V. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So from geometry we got this relation. So simple. Now we have to put the sign convention. So HI will be minus, U will be minus, V will be minus. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
याद है?
Yes, sir.
And now here you see, थोड़ा तस्वीर करता हूँ. So I get here HI upon HO is equal to minus V upon U. I just inverted. So minus is cancels here, right side. Only one minus remains on the left. That minus I push it to the right and I invert it. Right? Hello? Did you understand? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now if you don't understand, you ask now only, because this will be used for next, that will be used for next. It will say Hanumantan Bala, it is going to build. And basically if you don't understand something, you better ask me. Yes, again.
Sir, you mentioned why did you
Loud. If you don't speak loud, I can't hear.
Why did you invert it?
Why did I invert? I will tell you. Wait. I inverted. I was about to tell. This you understood? Okay. Why did I invert is because there is something called as magnification. HI upon HO will tell you what? Magnification. By how much is it magnified? So in this case it is attenuated. The image, see, ultimately we want image. So the height of the image to the height of the object will be less than 1. It is diminished. So if HI upon HO is larger than 1, we use the word, it is magnified. Correct? Magnified and diminished. I hope you got the idea. That is why I said. This is the purpose. We are going to define one physical quantity. Arey yaar, image is magnified. Kitna? HI upon HO. We get a physical quantity. Okay? V by U. This is standard format of putting. V by U minus V by U. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes.
So we got the first relation. You got the first
This is
relation.
the standard form in which we write, sir.
Pardon, Bob?
It is the standard form in which we write.
Better, right? Better. We will follow something because you see when you if you read many textbooks, so in all textbooks they write it like this. There is nothing wrong if you write U by U, but it is better, no? Let's have a format so that if you read this book, this notes, you will not have unnecessary clutter in your head. That is the way. There is nothing wrong if you do ulta here. And sometimes for some deviations and all, we have to use it ulta, we will use it. Okay? So this is first equation. So we have used it HY upon this. But still, so four quantities already got what? Related. There is a fifth quantity which has yet to get related. Correct? So what will you do to get the fifth quantity related? Come on, look at the diagram and see. See, I made one thing. You can suggest. I want to get F into the system. I want to relate F. So I should do some construction so that F will come. What construction should I do?
Sir, can we take EF as a
EF and do what? See, I should get this focal length, man. अभी देखो मैंने कंस्ट्रक्शन किया ना, उसमें मुझे U and V मिल गए. अभी और एक कंस्ट्रक्शन बनाना है जिससे मुझे from that I should be able to get F and of course H some other quantity. Four quantities are related. Now if I relate F with any of the quantities, my relation is 10. If I relate it with any one of the four quantities, F with any one of the four or all of them or at least two of them or three of them, then my job is done. Correct? So think, how should I get F? Still the object and image are there, laws of reflection are there. So you see, you are all intelligent students, correct? At least that you have in your heart because somebody told you. If not anybody, your parents have definitely told. Good, that's a good thing. But now you see, I want to tell you the difference being knowledgeable and intelligent. See, now you have some knowledge, but you should be able to use that knowledge. That is called intelligence. See, in the future, when you are going to subject yourself for test, where they want to test your intelligence, so they are going to call you questions. So here is one, something like this. So now relate, F, bring F. So you use some of the ray diagrams, no, we should bring F into picture. That's all you have to do. Any ray diagram which will still give you the same image, but also will contain F. You don't remember any ray?
Ray 1 and 2.
Louder.
Ray 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Really?
No, sir, means in the diagram.
You 1 and 2 ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಇದು M P ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ಲ. You write, you take a ray parallel to the principal axis and track it. That's right. Correct. You are intelligent. Accept it. So what this boy told is perfectly correct. Fardi, excellent. So this ray parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it is going to polarise. So Mr. Murthy, draw it properly. Understood? So now again you see, now watch out, all of you, just watch out. So now here you have got F, C, M, P. You can see I have drawn one line here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Now here I will make one. I will make this point P. Now you see, the mirror is like this. If you consider only a very small portion of the mirror, see my head is spherical almost. So if you consider only this small portion, what is the curve? What do you think this portion is? Can you see the curvature of this, or will you consider it to be flat?
It is flat.
If you come very small portion, if you take, it is flat. But you know, see now, if you see now your building is flat now. This place is flat. Okay, frankly speaking, it should have, earth should have some curvature. It is having, but the curvature is so large that it almost is flat if you take small portion. So what I am trying to tell you, M P along these points are like this. But I have considered one more point, P dash here. P dash is very close to P. Why? If the curvature is very small. Okay, so for all practical purpose, now you should consider the triangle E M P. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And P dash is almost equal to P. P dash is very very small, so small that it is almost equal to 0 but not equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
ತಿಳಿದಲ್ಲ? Almost touching but not touching. Almost equal to 0, not equal to 0. Okay. F M P dash. F M P dash. Got it? Hello. थोड़ा गड़बड़ किया मैंने, गड़बड़ पूरा कर दी मैंने, आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा पूरा, ठीक है? You read diagram. Then we should have told. You people should tell man. तुम बात ही नहीं करते तुम लोग. Sorry for the reading language. Okay. Somewhat. Okay, understood? Right? So now you see the triangle FMP dash. Right? This one triangle. And one more triangle A dash P dash. Okay? And F. See. A dash, E dash, F, this triangle. And then F, M, P dash, this triangle. Can you see? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Now, these two angles are equal. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And this angle is 90 and this angle is 90. So, two angles are equal. So, it becomes what? Similar.
How is this?
Which?
Angle.
Again, I took a construction now. This is sorry, P dash. P dash is very close to P. It is a straight line. Madhya. Straight line, but sorry, I did. It should be a straight line. Then it is 90. I have drawn a straight line very close. Said that P dash and P are almost touching, but not touching. And therefore, this line will be perfect. So these two triangles are similar.
Sir, why can't we take P instead of P?
Why you can't take it? Then I can't say FMP. FMP will not be a triangle. For triangle, it should be a straight line. I can't use the properties of a triangle. I can use the properties of a triangle if it is a triangle. So I have a diagram like this. A, B, C. Can I call it as a triangle? Hello.
No, sir.
मैंने क्या किया इसको सीधा कर दिया. इसको बोलते हैं फिजिक्स. देखो अभी idealized condition. अभी the paraxial rays means it is very close. So for all practical purpose it is flat. Understand? We can do it. So then everything is no, don't worry. When you go to BSc and all, you will do the derivation with this. For that you need higher mathematics. You should know lots of, you will learn lot of mathematics. See, you will learn now in first PUC, second PUC, integration, calculus, coordinate geometry, so much you will learn in depth. And when you go to BSc, again you will learn mathematics. If you go to engineering also, 4 semesters you will learn mathematics. कितना मैथमेटिक्स चाहिए फिर भी कम पड़ेगा. ठीक है? सो वो सब मैथमेटिक्स के बाद आपको हाउ टू कंसीडर दैट मालूम हो जाएगा. देन यू विल कम क्लोजर टू द रियलिटी. अभी वी आर टेकिंग आइडियल कंडीशंस एंड प्रूविंग समथिंग. नाउ आइडियल कंडीशन में उपकारण डालने का, जैसे कि मैंने बोला ना मैरिज अलायंस में पहला बोलते हैं लड़का बहुत अच्छा है, लड़की बहुत अच्छी है, भाई चलो शुरू हो जाते हैं कन्वर्सेशन. फिर बाद में मिसाल के रियलिटी एस्टैब्लिश हो जाती है. इसी प्रकार अभी फर्स्ट नो स्टोरी आर गेटिंग इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, धीरे 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 you will come closer to the real. Life is like that, no? See, you think 5 years ago how many things you knew, not about science but worldliness. Now how much you know. So you, and still there are a lot of things to know. And most of the students think that, you know, by 22 years you get degree, so you think you are very great, you know everything. No, you go and work for 2 years, earn money on your own without depending upon your parents or anybody's help. Then you will know what the world is, what you are. Okay, that is the real truth. Now we, it's only our Vaham, it's only Ahankar which is speaking, I am great. Okay, life will teach you the lesson, like that. Huh? Science, as you proceed, you will learn why you should do that. Okay, understood? Don't worry, I am telling you the truth. I am not telling you any stories here. Life is like that. Physics is also science of reality. But the way we approach reality is different in life. In science, it is got its own procedure. Understood now? So we have two triangles which are similar now. Okay, and now, so in these two triangles which are similar, okay, again I will establish the condition. What is that? A dash F. This one. Okay, and other one is what? P dash F. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this ratio will be equal to what? Next time. Now here, A dash E dash, and proportional to what? Hello, P dash M. Again, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now A dash F. What is A dash F? See A dash F. From here to here it is V. From here to here it is F. So A dash F will be what? V minus F.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
And what is P dash F? P dash F is nothing but F. Now A dash E dash is HI.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And P dash M is what? A P dash M A E. HO. HI की नहीं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
हो गया नहीं?
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे क्या करना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप पर? बताइए, मुझे क्या करना है?
One and two.
जाओ उधर.
Like the first one and
First
second
is
is
minus.
both will be equal.
ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಗ್ನ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೌದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೀವು ಹುಡುಗರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ओ उस दिन सर मस्त बोला था अभी मुझे जिंदगी भर मुझे ये दिस स्टेप आई विल नॉट फॉरगेट. So put the sign convention and procedure. Science is not result will come. You have to follow the procedure. understand? ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಡೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ರವಾ ತಗೋ, ಬರ್ಬರಿ ಹುರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ನೀರು ತಗೋ, ಕುದಿಸು, ರವಾ ಹಾಕು, ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಮಾಡು, ಹಾಕು, ತಿರುವು, ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ? ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್. ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್. ಎಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್. HI is also minus HI. Actually is this. How that?
Yes, sir.
डाल दे रहे. Difficult है क्या? नहीं, आपकी किताब में डेरिवेशन किया है. I mean डेरिवेशन मतलब they have only given the formula. बोला तुम लोग यूज करो, बेशक करो. लेकिन मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं सीखने की. You should know how the formula has come. You should know how it is derived. That itself is learning science. Using the formula and substituting the value. V is given a, F is given a, find out the this U. Still first standard, second standard sums. Now you should know this. Now you see I can solve very interesting sums for all. You will also feel very good. Okay. Now that sign conventions and all I have written. Okay. With all the sign convention. Okay. So now you simplify. You know how to simplify it? Hello. Simplified. So here sign simplified man, minus minus plus. So it becomes F minus B. Okay, and minus F is here. Minus F is still there. Okay, right side it becomes minus HI by H. है कि नहीं?
Yes,
This
sir.
minus also I will take it on top. Then it becomes B minus F divided by F is equal to HI upon H minus HI upon H. Correct?
Yes.
Otherwise you don't have to do this success also. Now see here. Here there is minus minus. So here you simply get it as F minus B. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this minus is there. This minus you take it to the right. So that becomes plus. Okay, so you simply get here F and you get here HI upon H. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, from the equation 1, so this becomes equation 2. So equation 1 is HI upon HO is what? B by B. So I have related down HI upon HO F to B. And HI upon HO already it is minus B by U. Correct? So I write here F minus B upon F is equal to minus B by U. Correct? Now can you simplify and get the beautiful format? What is it? 1 by B plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by U. You should get it in that format. Can you do it or shall I do it? You only do, sir. Shall I do? Yes, please. Srish, did you understand? Aditi?
Yes, sir.
ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಬೇಡ್ರು ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದೇನಪ್ಪ ನಿಂಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ
Sir, I didn't understand that when the ray is not parallel to principal axis,
when the ray is not
parallel to principal axis, it is like oblique but not passing through poles.
ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಏನು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ ಈ
ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ರೇ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ದು ಸರ್ ಈ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ ಇದ್ರ ಯಾವ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂಗೆ ಇ ಟು ಪಿ ಪಿ ಟು ಇ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ
ಇ ಟು ಎಂ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ
ಇ ಟು
ಇ ಟು ಎಂ
E to M. E to M is a ray which is parallel to the principal axis.
Sir, but it doesn't look like.
It doesn't look. See, I have to properly draw it slightly. I have missed it. Okay. Hello. Okay. So in that diagram, thoda goof up ho gaya tha. F I had taken the position this side. So now I think the diagram is perfect. So I get a term BF is equal to UV minus UA. Cross multiply. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now what you do? You divide the full equation by UA. You divide the full equation by UVF. Understood? So you divide this by UVF. Divide this by UVF. And divide this by UVF. मैं किया हुआ. I can divide all three now by the same quantity. Now UF. So here around here cool distributive be cool now. Students are cool, you are only not cool. Okay, F cancels, B cancels, and here U cancels, B cancels, here U cancels, F cancels. Got it? So left hand side, what are you left with now? Left hand side you are left with the 1 by U, and right hand side you see here you are left with what? 1 by B minus 1 by B. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Bring it this side, it will become plus 1 by U. And this side what is left with it? U
1 by
cancel.
F.
1 by U. This is the famous formula that is here. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by U. This will hold good for any position. Whether it is beyond C, between C and F, okay? And also between F and C. And this formula will also hold good for convex mirror. Understood? Spherical mirror का यही formula.
Sir, but you can identify
Loud.
between F and P and then the image will be in the general. So that time.
Sign convention लगा लो.
But
अभी आप लोग try कर सकते हो. You draw the image for different positions, you draw it, and then you enjoy it. Okay, you will get the same formula, but you should use the sign convention properly. Okay, you should use the sign convention properly, you will still get.
Sir, and for convex mirror, we must take it behind the mirror in front.
And you put the sign convention. You take it behind the mirror and you do. After the class now, when you go home now, you sit and do that. You see, but you should put the proper sign convention, you will get the same formula. Understood? See, for convex mirror, F will be, see here F is minus. So there F will be plus. And here I have taken V is minus. So there V will be plus. Okay? Accordingly, you should do the construction, you do it. Take it as a challenge and do it. Take in different positions and do it. You will get the same formula. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suresh, did you get? Aditi, did you get?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So this is the standard way of doing it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any questions here?
Yes.
Now we can see. Now here the other way by which you can write this is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 2 by R. Because F is equal to R by U. R is what? Radius of curvature. What is plane mirror? Plane mirror is also a spherical mirror, but with infinite radius of curvature. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So R को infinity लगा लो इसमें. क्या होता है? 2 by infinity is 0. So 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 0. Therefore you 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon M.
Yes, sir.
Now you think about the plane mirror. See, Aryan is good boy. See, he is only focusing on learning whatever he doesn't understand. He immediately asks question. I am not. This girl is asking. Sanit is asking. He is asking. Others, sometimes he asks. Others are not asking any questions. You put nan heduko pada. So this plane mirror. So you keep an object here. Okay, object. So this distance is U, and you see the corresponding image here. Correct? All of you know this. We are done. We have proved this. So you have to apply this for the mirror formula here. Okay. So what we will do here? So here in this case, U is what? U is what? It is in front of the mirror. Okay. So you take it as 1 upon minus U. Because the rays are traveling like this, but the distance you will measure from this point. Hello, are you with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then I will write V. I don't know where is V. I don't know where is V.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will keep it as V. And but F is what? And this I will write it as 2 by R. So R is infinity. So this becomes 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what will I get here? If I solve it, I get V is equal to U. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ उसको इधर डाला तो so then minus minus will cancel, you will get V is equal to U. Sorry, I had written there minus U. V is equal to U. So what does it mean? See, V is what? And V is, see, U is a number. Listen, understand. U is simply a number.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So therefore now, see here, when I am putting these quantities here, they are the physical variables. They are the physical variables. Okay? Now I know the object is in front of the mirror. Okay? I know the object is in front of the mirror. Therefore, I will add this sign to this. But I don't know where is the image.
Yes, sir.
I don't know where is the image. Then this I put it this way. Then I will find out the image. I will find out the image. What did I get? Image is equal to V is equal to UI. Now U is a positive number. The sign only tells it is in front of minus. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I get V also as a positive number. Magnitude is same. That is, if the object is 10 centimeters in front of the mirror, the image distance is also 10 centimeters. But whether the image is behind or in the front, how will you find out? See now, V I got it as a positive number.
Yes, sir.
And therefore, the image is behind the mirror. So you can apply it here also.
Then you also become positive. Because
Hey, you already had kept, you had already kept it. Okay, I will make you come. Aryan is a tough nut to crack. Okay, please, do one thing. Now take this example. Take an object 10 centimeters in front of the mirror. 10 centimeters in front of the mirror. Okay, where is the image? Find out. Object is kept 10 centimeters in front of the mirror. Where is the image? Plain there.
it will be 10 centimeters wide.
Aryan is a Samaran. You might close. Aryan is Samaran passport. You look now 6. School number dots ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಫುಲ್ ಬೈ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಶಾಣತನ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ ಶಾಲ್ಯಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡತನ ತೋರ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಕಾಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ತಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತರ ಹೇಳೋದು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ then if your teacher prompts okay you answer if you know the answer just keep your hands up right teacher ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ and if your teacher asks you okay answer you should answer let others answer don't show off ahankar patri ella vidya hogi you are getting this knowledge because you want this knowledge to do good to others not bad to others.
Sir, here we must take u as minus like.
ಹೌದು so ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾಡು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ
Yes, sir, we got v is
1 upon v because we have to find out v plus 1 upon u what is u minus 10 and what is r into सिर्फ भरने का चाहिए सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का चाहिए मतलब देखो क्या होता है इसमें इसको सॉल्व किया तो क्या होता है क्या आता है आपको
1 by v minus 1 by 10.
so this 10 will go here this will become 0
Yes, sir.
so then you will get v is equal to plus 10 agree
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now interpret this v is equal to plus 10 that means the image is 10 centimeters from the mirror this plus sign will tell you it is behind
Behind
the
the mirror.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा देखो फिजिक्स एक साइन में आपको पता चलेगा कहाँ है किधर ये हकीकत भी है ना
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो ये फार्मूला क्या है फार्मूला तो आपने डिराइव किया अभी हकीकत में एक प्लेन मिरर हो उसके सामने 10 सेंटीमीटर एक ऑब्जेक्ट रख के देखो ना आपको इमेज भी पीछे मिलेगा ना
Yes.
तो हो गया तसल्ली है कि नहीं हाँ अभी स्फेरिकल मिरर पे आपको न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम करना है क्या प्रॉब्लम है स्फेरिकल मिरर के सामने आपको ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट एट 10 सेंटीमीटर टेक अ कॉन्केव मिरर ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर take a concave mirror of focal length 5 centimeters and object is kept at a distance of 12 centimeters in front of the mirror okay and its height is 2 centimeters so determine the image that's the problem aa jayega so what you will get here now in that particular case you can draw it and see focal length I told you how much 5 centimeters so what is the rate f is equal to minus लिख देगा बिकॉज कॉन्केव मिरर बोला ना
Yes, sir.
तो माइनस साइन डाल के करने का है देन ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट 12 सेंटीमीटर
Minus
minus 12.
so u is equal to minus 12
Yes, sir.
height of the object is 2 centimeters this is the given quantities what have you got to find out you have got to find out hi you have got to find out v these are two unknown quantities ठीक है हाँ तो what will you do to find out v you will use the formula 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f so from that if you simplify you will get it as v is equal to what v is equal to what will you get v is equal to you simplify uf divided by f minus u or u minus f simplify and see 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f simplify whether you will get v is equal to so 1 by v is equal to 1 by f what happens here I want 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u so u minus f divided by uf so minus x no. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ನೀವೇನು ಐ ಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ? ಬರದ್ರಿ? Hey, answer man. Huh. So now substitute the values. What is u? U is minus 1. What is f? Minus 1. What is u?
Minus 12.
Minus 12. What is f?
Minus
Minus 1. Simple. So you get 12 by the 60. Okay. And here you will get plus 5 minus 12. So you get here minus 7. Again, hello?
Yes, sir.
So 60 by 7. If you what? 7, 8 are 56. Okay. 40. 7 5 are 35. Approximately 8 5 approximately 8 5 centimeters. So you get V is equal to minus 8 5 centimeters. That means the image is in front of the mirror
Yes, sir.
at a distance of 8.5. See 8.5 is what? Between F and C. C is 10 centimeters because focal length is 5. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. This is F, this is C. Okay. So the object is kept. So this is 5 centimeters from here.
Yes.
And the image is object is 12 centimeters. So the object was kept here. So the image is formed here. Again.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you get 8.5 centimeters. So 8.5 is this. More than 5, less than 10. Then what is the magnification HI? HI is equal to what? See, HI upon HO. HI upon HO is minus V by U. Basic formula. Okay? Now what we have to find out HI. HI is equal to HO minus HO into V by U. Now what is HO? HO is above. So it is plus 2 centimeters. Hello?
Yes, sir.
V just now you found out. How much? Minus 8.5. Okay. And U is minus 12. Again,
So that is HO divided by HI or HI divided by
HI by HO. HI by HO is V by U. Minus V by U. So here these two minus cancel, this minus will remains. Again, so you do the division, you will get some number. What number will you get? Do it. Whatever. Why should you do calculator? 2, 6. So this plus will get 6 will be there. So you will get minus 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 20. Approximately height is 1.4 centimeters. Height is approximately 1.4 centimeters. It is diminished now.
Yes, sir.
After it was 2 centimeters, now it is 1.4. And you get a minus sign. Minus sign means what? It is inverted. Hello, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understood how to use the formula? Fine. Okay. ठीक है.